Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be filming that TikTok thing that's been going around, and it's actually been going around on YouTube a lot. And it's just that foamy coffee. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And of course, I have my sister here today as always. And then if you guys hear that little, that's Cookie because she thinks we're eating. So she's kind of like waiting for food to drop. But she doesn't know that we're not eating. But yeah, if you hear her, give her a thumbs up because she loves being in my videos. Yeah,
Good job, Cookie.
She loves being in my videos. She likes being in my videos, like either barking. Obviously, you can't see what we're doing right now, but I am going to be recording it on my phone. Just so that way we have like this view up here and then we have this. So I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. The point is, we got hot water, we have cocoa, and then we have a whole bunch of cups because we're going to be doing a lot. And we got vanilla because we're going to be trying different flavors as the original as well. And then we got this mixing thing because we ain't got time to be mixing. Because it does take a long time. And then we're using decaf because we are trying to lay off coffee because sometimes we can't sleep. So we just got this store brand decaf classic roast because this is the only decaf that we were able to find,
and the cheapest.
And we just wanted to try decaf because we've been drinking a lot of coffee and it's not really good for you. Like, my parents are addicted to coffee. And we also forgot to mention, but we do need sugar. We have some sugar in here. This is cane sugar, so it tastes a little bit better than like artificial sugar or whatever, or like regular white sugar. This is where we're going to be mixing everything. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so everything is 1-to-1. So we're going to start with the dry ingredients. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of regular sugar. We're using cane sugar, not white sugar. And then we're going to do water. So this is just the classic one that we're doing right now. And this is hot water. I'm pretty sure it has to be hot water because how else are you going to melt the coffee and the sugar, right? Okay. And then we're just going to go in and mix it. And we're going to be whisking it. This is what it looks like so far. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. So it's been like 2 minutes of whisking and it looks like it's finally kind of starting to change color, but it's still not ready. Okay, so at this point we've probably been mixing it for about 5 minutes, and this is where we're at. It is a lot lighter, so we're almost there, but this is what it looks like so far. So this is like about 10 minutes now. It looks a lot better now. But not it's still not where we want it. We want it to be a little bit more foamy. So we're going to keep mixing it. So let's go for another 10. Okay, so at this point we've probably been mixing for maybe somewhere between 15 to 20 minutes. I'm not even sure anymore. But look at the texture now. It's a lot more creamy, but believe it or not, we're still not there. The whole point is that we're supposed to be making foam. So we're gonna continue, but we just want to update you guys and let you guys know that this literally takes forever. We've been increasing the speed and it's still taking forever. Oh yeah, you guys, she is foamy. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. She is definitely foamy. How long do you think it took us?
20,
look at this.
Like 30 minutes.
It took us a long time, you guys, like literally a long time, but it's a lot foamier now. You can probably go in and mix it more and get it extra foamier. It took us I want to say about 20-25 minutes round it up to maybe 30. Let's get ready to prepare this, you guys.
Oh my god, it's so thick.
I told you. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Probably took us about, I want to say 30 minutes to produce the foam, and it is a very, very foamy. This is the final result. Guys, they look so cute. We have not tried it. You guys, it's so thick. Look at this. And it's funny because like these are really small, the ones that me and my sister are doing. So this, the 2 tablespoons and all of that produces like 1 serving, I would say.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna do this, probably make a little bit more. Just remember it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Also, it looks like I've heard that the foam does last, so you can probably like make some and like have some for tomorrow as well, as long as you keep it on the fridge, because it doesn't have like any eggs or anything like that. It's just literally sugar, water, and coffee. So let's sample it, and we are gonna go in and mix it. It's so thick. You can still see the foam in there. It's still pretty thick. Okay, you ready to try it? Okay, we are gonna try it. Let's see if it was worth the 20 minutes that we had.
I haven't tried it yet.
Dude, that's hella good.
That is delicious.
That is hella good. That is definitely worth it. Oh my god. And it's funny because like the foam itself is it's like a very concentrated coffee, plus it has a lot of sugar you're mixing. But it's so good. It's very light, and it works with decaf. I honestly, after like blending it for a while, I'm like, maybe it's not working as well because it's not regular coffee, but it works well with decaf. So if you want to go on and try it with decaf, dude, it works. I'm pretty sure you can do hot coffee as well. It's just, you know, it's a lot more refreshing with a cold one. But you guys, this is so good. I 100% recommend it. It's gonna take a long time, but I recommend it.
I did not expect it to be that good.
Yeah, you were not liking the foam, huh?
No, the foam was like bitter. I don't like bitter.
Yeah, the foam was very... So are you ready to try it with vanilla and cocoa?
Sure.
Same, I have my blender right here. And we're just gonna take in, obviously, we're gonna do the vanilla one for this one. And we're just gonna go in and do a 1-to-1 ratio. So do not forget that. It's always a 1-to-1 ratio. At least that's what I've heard. So that's what I'm gonna stick to. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So this recipe right now that I'm doing, we honestly, that's probably hella. Yeah. We have not tried it, so we're just kind of like making it up. So we'll see if it even works. Now the coffee. We are back with our second attempt. This was a more creative one. Let's just say that one of them did not work out. I feel like maybe because we probably need to mix it a little bit more. The total mixing for this one, we did about 20 minutes each, and it definitely needed a lot more, but we just got to the point where like we're done. I got to the point where I was like, okay, I'm done. The first one took like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So then we were kind of working both at around the same time, like having them go at the same time, but it's just too much noise and we haven't had breakfast, so you know, we needed a break. This is the vanilla one. As you can tell, this one it's layered. It's not as foamy as the other one before. It's not as like thick.
It's probably like that because vanilla extract is liquid and you can't like do it like evenly, like each thing, because it's gonna
and I also forgot to tell you guys, sorry, like she was saying that, but so what I decided to do is I went in and I added more sugar and I added in more instant coffee. Yeah, so I went in and I added more instant coffee. So I pretty much did, technically it was still a 1-to-1 ratio, but it was a 1-to-1 ratio with like water and then a 1-to-1 ratio with vanilla. Maybe that's why it took a little bit longer. Maybe it's supposed to take a little bit longer. This one we did manage to kind of do like the, you know, to like have it separated and stuff. Now the chocolate one, you guys, oh my god. Okay, for this one we believe that we probably need a little bit more blending time. This one did not come out as well as the other ones. You can tell the chocolate is at the bottom, so it's still not, it still needs more air in it. Okay, so we're just gonna blend these in. You can use the straw now.
I predict it's gonna taste like chocolate milk. It tastes like chocolate milk.
Really?
Yep, it tastes like chocolate milk. Maybe because it's like chocolate milk powder. It's like powder my mom used to make for my chocolate milk.
Oh yeah, it does. It doesn't even taste like coffee. Maybe this one needed more coffee.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to taste like a mocha, but it doesn't. Okay, try the other one.
This one, wait, which one is this one? The vanilla?
This is the one, this is just the regular one coffee with some vanilla.
I'm hoping it tastes like vanilla.
It's funny because like when we first tried the first one, we were like, yeah, this is hella good. This is hella good.
It tastes like vanilla.
You were trying not to make any faces, huh? This is like vanilla. This is like vanilla and hella coffee and hella sugar. What the heck did we do
I
wrong?
feel like I just drank vanilla extract out of the bottle.
I mean, it's not horrible. It's just the vanilla's a little too much. I don't know. I was just trying to have fun. But you guys, for sure, the first one, 100% so good. Yeah, it was fun. So that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like watching me do crazy activities. Like,
Do you like seeing me?
and if you like to see my sister pop in here once in a while. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Okay, let's go eat.